If you own a truck, your cargo deserves better than a soft cover that leaks the moment it rains. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 best retractable tonneau covers you can buy right now. From budget password lock options, all the way to a cover with the most compact canister design in the industry. All links are in the description below. Stick around till the end, because the #1 pick here will genuinely surprise you. Starting at number 7, the SADELOOS tonneau cover, the best budget retractable for owners done fumbling with keys. Most budget covers feel cheap, leak at the seams, and the lock is the first thing to fail. The SADELOOS uses a combination password lock instead of a key. Aluminum slats, powder coat, no keys needed. First, dual-layer powder-coated aluminum slats protect against rain, snow, ultraviolet, and road abuse. Next, waterproof seals with drain tubes redirect water from the bed. Gear stays dry. Finally, T-slot rail compatibility lets you mount racks directly to the cover. Limitations: a newer brand with limited track record. Solo installation takes close to an hour. Best for first-time buyers, budget truck owners, key losers. Not for buyers needing brand support. At $699.99, you get a genuine hard aluminum retractable with a unique keyless system. Tight budget? This is the way. At number 6, the Flowkottu tonneau cover, the best step-up retractable for Ram 1500 owners wanting auto-retract access. Most budget retractables make you fight the cover every single time. Stiff rails, awkward pulls, a latch that just never catches. Flowkottu fixes that. Unlock it, and the cover glides toward the cab on its own. One hand, done. First, contourless flush-fit design with 600-pound capacity handles heavy tools and gear without sagging. Next, T-slot side rails with canister protection keep the mechanism clear and enable rack mounting. Finally, debris sealing blocks dirt and grit from jamming the drainage system. Limitations: newer brand. Fitment is Ram specific. Confirm your bed length. Best for Ram 1500 owners, work truck users, auto-retract buyers. Not for F-150 or Silverado owners. At $699.98, Flowkottu delivers auto-retract access and rack-ready rails. Want it to open itself? Here you go. Coming in at number 5, the ONINE tonneau cover. Best mid-range retractable for Silverado and Sierra 1500 owners wanting rack-ready aluminum. Most mid-range covers give you aluminum outside and compromises underneath. Plastic end caps, weak channels, no accessory options. ONINE is custom-built for 2019 to 2026 Silverado and Sierra 1500. Full matte black aluminum throughout. First, flush matte aluminum slats sit level with the bed rails for a factory-integrated look. Next, rack compatibility is built into the side rails. Mount one the same day. No adapters. Finally, pull-to-lock multi-position operation lets you stop and lock anywhere along the rails. Limitations: Silverado and Sierra fitment only. Drain tube install needs care. Newer brand, limited history. Best for Silverado and Sierra owners, rack buyers. Not for Ram, F-150, or Tundra. At $739.99, the ONINE delivers full aluminum and built-in rack compatibility at a strong mid-range price. Want rack-ready aluminum without the premium cost? Start right here today. At number 4, the Bestwyll tonneau cover. Best mid-range F-150 retractable with T-slot rack compatibility at a non-premium price. Every cover with T-slot rails at this level costs significantly more. You pay the brand premium or go without the features. Bestwyll bridges that gap. Built for the 2015 to 2026 Ford F-150. First, Double-layer matte aluminum slats give you scratch-resistant, corrosion-resistant protection for job sites and backcountry. Next, Trac's T-slot rail system accepts Rhino rack, Yakima, and Thule accessories, tents, kayak holders, cargo systems, all direct to the cover. Finally, 3 adjustable locking positions let you stop and secure the cover at any point for oversized loads. Limitations: F150 fitment only. Install takes 50 to 70 minutes. Lock is functional but less refined than premium options. Best for F150 owners, overlanders, rack buyers. Not for non-F150 owners or electric buyers. At $899.90, Bestwyll delivers T-slot rails and full aluminum at an F150 budget. Rack ready, no flagship price. Number 3. The Syneticusa MB Tonneau Cover. Best mid-range pick for 2004 to 2019 F150 owners wanting manufacturer direct aluminum quality. Most covers at this level carry a brand premium. You are not paying for better aluminum, you are paying for the name. Syneticusa sells direct through Amazon, no distributor chain. The materials reflect it. First, aluminum slats on reinforced slide rails deliver smooth operation through thousands of cycles without binding. Next, rubber-sealed rails with drain tubes redirect every drop of water away from your cargo. Dry is the default. Finally, stop at any position tailgate locking lets you open and lock the cover for oversized loads. Limitations: fits 2004 to 2019 F155 0.6-foot bed only. Confirm your year. 200-pound top weight capacity. Best for 2004 to 2019 F150 owners, direct value buyers. Not for 2020 plus F150 owners or buyers needing higher capacity. At $949, Syneticusa MB is the manufacturer direct value story for F150 owners. Cut the middleman, keep every dollar saved. Quick reminder, if this is helping, hit that like button and subscribe. All links are in the description. Let's get into the top 2. This is where it gets serious. At number 2, the BAK Revolver X4s. Premium hard rolling cover for owners wanting full bed access without a canister. Every other cover here stores panels in a front bed canister. That costs you 15 inches of usable space every single time. The X4s rolls to the cab instead. 0 canister in the bed. Full access always. First, patented full-length rotational locking rails secure the entire bed on both sides simultaneously. Next, Tri-Shield 70-grade vinyl over aluminum slats creates a near leak-proof seal in any weather. Finally, one-handed roll-open operation clears the bed without blocking your rear window or backup camera. Limitations: vinyl surface is less impact-resistant than bare aluminum. No T-slot support. Rolled cover sits against the cab wall when open. Best for max bed users, security owners, oversized haulers. Not for rack buyers or full aluminum needs. At $1,379.99, the X4s delivers security and bed space engineering no canister cover can match. Need every inch of your bed every time. And now, number 1. Made in the USA. The smallest canister in the industry, and it locks your tailgate automatically. The number 1 best retractable tonneau cover for 2026. The Roll-N-Lock M Series. The most space-efficient retractable on this entire list. Every retractable you have seen has a canister that swallows 12 to 15 inches of your front bed space. The M Series canister measures just 7.25 inches deep. That space stays yours. First, a patented contoured hinge with aluminum undercarriage creates a near impenetrable seam when closed. Next, a 4-point system locks both the cover and tailgate simultaneously with one move. Finally, Torsion spring operation means the cover glides open effortlessly and stays up unaided. Limitations: vinyl over aluminum top, not a fully exposed aluminum exterior. Clamp alignment is always critical during install. Best for work truck owners, haulers, made in USA buyers. Not for T-slot or aluminum buyers. At $1,599.99, Roll & Lock M Series gives you the most usable bed space of any retractable on this list. With simultaneous tailgate locking no other cover offers. Want your bed back completely? This is exactly how you do it. And there you have it, the 7 best retractable tonneau covers for 2026. Drop a comment which truck you are putting it on and which cover you are going with. All links are in the description with the latest pricing. Hit like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.